Hi, Henry. How are you? Rick Mills with Execution Digital Marketing. Hope you're doing well. I spoke to Santiago today at your office. He said you would be the one that would watch this video. Like I told Santiago, I work with landscaping companies, hardscaping companies across the state of Texas and the Southwest. I'm actually located here in Wimberley, out in the Hill Country. But wanted to shoot this quick video for you, show you 3 tips and tricks to improve your online presence. So without further ado, I'll jump right in. Number one, I want to talk about content. Obviously, I have your website pulled up. Really nice, looking website. I really like your logo. That's great. Um, there are, when it comes to Google, you want to have kind of a benchmark, a bare minimum that Google wants to see when they're scrolling websites, their bots are scrolling websites, is to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your website. I'm sorry, on your homepage. The reason for that is that gives the right ratio of amount of content to buyer intent keywords that you can have on your homepage that are going to basically explain your services, explain what you do, and essentially get ranked higher for those keywords. So that's kind of the rule of thumb is 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. It will do dramatic things to your Google search and helping you being found for the services that you guys offer. One other quick tip as I was scrolling through your site, obviously content includes all of these words, right? And that's a kind of a no-brainer. But in addition to that, content also counts for the way your images are saved. So when I take this patio landscape image, for instance, and I do a save image as you can see that here, it's saved as a generic file name, img_2747. And so that's a huge missed opportunity. And the reason for that is like I said, when Google is scrolling websites, they see what these images are saved for, and you get credit and authority for those keywords. So if you had this saved as, say, patio landscaping Austin, Texas, that's going to go a long way in helping you be ranked for that word by Google search. So that's an extra little content tip there. The next thing I want to talk about is citations. So when we talk about Google search, Henry, we talk about buyer intent keywords. And that's exactly what I just typed into Google search here. As you can see, landscaping Austin, right? If somebody types that in, they live in or around Austin and they're looking for landscaping, they're looking to hire someone. So, the first thing folks are going to see when they type that in is they're going to see these ads, and ads are fine. We have a lot of successful Google ad campaigns. We do that as a part of our agency. But what we really focus on are organic results because ads can get expensive. It takes sometimes a lot of trial and error to get them right. And another thing with ads is a lot of people are putting ad blockers on their extensions now, so they're not even seeing these ads. So what we really want to focus on are the organic results. Organic results meaning the first organic results folks are going to see when they type in landscaping Austin, and people are going to look. They're going to look for they're going to look past ads a lot of the times. They're going to look for these organic results. The first thing they're going to see is this Google Map Pack. Okay, and this is these first 3 businesses that show up on this search page when people type in landscaping Austin. And that's where citations comes into play. All a citation is, Henry, is your name, address, and phone number the way it's listed on Google. So again, as Google bots are scrolling businesses to find out, who is doing a lot of work in Austin and in surrounding areas, they're looking for people for businesses that have a lot of citations, that are signed up for a lot of directories. For instance, your Facebook page is a citation. Your Yelp profile is a citation. All these different directories you sign up for are citations. So what we do is we'll go in. We have software where we can go in and see what citations that these guys, your competitors, are signed up for, and make sure that you're signed up as well. Obviously, you guys have done a good job here. You guys are number 2 in this map pack for landscaping Austin. So, you've either done a lot of work on that or you've had someone do that for you, which is a great thing. So the last thing I wanted to show you was talk about backlinks. So again, we're going to take this we'll look at this buyer intent keyword again here in a moment. But I'm gonna jump over to this is a software that I subscribe to. You know, I pay $500 a month for this. But what it allows me to do is really analyze websites. You know, your website, your competitor's website, to see what's working, why it's working, what's not. And so as you can see here, I've typed in your URL here into to Ahrefs, which is a software that I use here, and you have 300. It's showing you have 303 backlinks. Okay, and that's coming from 12 referring domains. All a backlink is your URL, so ATX Prestige Landscaping.com. That's linked on other pages, so it's linking back to your website from other URLs. So that's the 12 different referring domains. That means your URL is listed on 12 different websites, and it's referring back and giving you 303 backlinks. And what that's powering at the end of the day are these organic keywords. So as you can see, you guys are ranking for 460 different organic keywords. If I click into this real quick and just show you, a few of the words that you're ranking, well for. Obviously, ATX Prestige Landscaping, that's a branded keyword. That's because people see your name out or you've been referred and they want to do some research. Retaining walls Austin, that's a great keyword. A buyer intent, retaining walls Austin. This is how we read it. So there are 80 searches for retaining walls Austin per month. Now out of that, you guys, five of those searches are clicking through to your website. Now you're ranked number 8 for that keyword. So at least you're getting some traffic. You'd be surprised. I go through these websites day in and day out, and a lot of people aren't ranked for anything. So you're getting traffic from a keyword, which is way, 95% better than most businesses. So good on you for that. Retaining wall Austin, another one down here, 50 searches per month. You're getting four click-throughs to your website for that. You're ranked number 6. So it looks like you've got retaining wall Austin, stone patio Austin. You're ranking for, you're getting a little traffic on your website for these buyer intent keywords. But what I wanted to do is again, so going back to landscaping Austin, right? You're obviously in the map pack. That's awesome. Now, what folks are going to do is they're going to scroll down and see, what local businesses are ranked on this first page. So we're picking, because Austin Natives Landscaping is also in the map pack, I wanted to use them as an example because they're ranked number 2 here on this search page for landscaping Austin. So when we go back over to the software here and I put in AustinNativeLandscaping.com, this is their website. As you see, they have you had 303 backlinks. They have over 3,000 backlinks, okay? Coming from, you had 12 referring domains. They have 620 referring domains. So again, they have someone like me doing this, doing work for them, making sure that they're being found for the words that they want to be found for. And we'll dive into that because as you can see here, they're ranking for, over 3,800 organic keywords. So let's just see, what kind of traffic they're getting because they are ranked for words like that. So, as you can see here, they've got they're ranked, very high for a lot of these words here. But for apples to apples comparison, let's use the word that I searched, landscaping Austin, right? As you scroll over, there's 350 volumes, so 350 searches for landscaping Austin per month. Now, what is Austin Native Landscaping getting out of that? As you can see here, they're getting 92 click-throughs. So 92 people are clicking through to their site to get their phone number, to give them a call to get their business. Now, why is that? They're ranked number 2 on that page, as we saw, obviously. Austin Landscaping down here, another buyer intent keyword, 250 searches per month. They're getting 25 clicks for that. Here's another one, Landscaper Austin. 90 searches, they're getting 31. So that's a great example there. There's 90 searches for landscaper Austin per month. They're getting a third of those folks that are clicking through to their website. That's a lot of business, as you can imagine. And why is that? They're ranked number 2 again. So, Henry, I wanted to give you a little bit of better idea of kind of why I shot this video for you and what we do. Would love to answer any questions for you or talk to you a little bit more and find out more about, how you guys are looking to grow and keywords and services that you'd like more business from, because that's what I do. So I hope this helps. I hope you liked the video. Please, if nothing else, if you could just give me some feedback on what you liked, I'd appreciate it. And have a great day. Thanks, Henry.